Hey, welcome to RestoCycle. We're going to line a tank, which is something, we don't do all the time on these. A lot of times I don't think it's necessary, but we did have a tank pinhole on us that seemed fine. And so when we get a tank of kind of unknown provenance and we really can't fool around with it, then we line it. So this is a nice early CBX tank. We've derusted it and cleaned it, and we spent a lot of time on how we do that, so we won't go over that again. But anyway, it's been cleaned out and derusted within an inch of its life, and it's bone dry. It's plugged up in the bottom here with a powder coater's plug, and so we're about ready to go. So just a little good, safe working area stuff, I guess, to offer you, because I can't really video this while I do it. But we've got the door open and lots of fresh air, because some of these things are sort of nasty. We've got a Caswell kit that we're using here. We've used Red Coat and we like it. We've used Pore 15 and we like it. I think of those three, Pore 15, Red Coat, and Caswell, I like them all. This is epoxy. This is really rock hard when it's done right. And again, that tank is spotless, and we're going to do it by the letter of their instructions. So we put the Caswell in there. We have the base and the activator. Because of our Arizona temperatures here, we're actually adding about an ounce of lacquer thinner to the brew, which will make it a little bit thinner and give us a little more handling time when it's open. We really have about 15 minutes to get this stuff mixed really well in that tank and run around before it starts to set, and we have to drain off the excess. So going to work a little quickly when we do that. So I should say I can't really video that, but here's our preparations. Our tank is clean and derusted. We've got obviously the filler neck, including this lip. Okay, here's a mistake we made before, so this is something I offer you. Don't get the coating on this. We thought that was a good idea once. This has to be bare metal to seal. If it doesn't, if it's epoxy or a liner, it'll leak. And we learned that one the hard way. So leave this bare metal, even if it gets a teeny tiny bit rusty looking, you can't coat that. You got to leave that be. So that's good. We've got a piece of cardboard down to protect our work surface, although we're working on this restaurant table. We'll mix it in this cup. Our favorite mixing sticks for this, we buy these carpenter shims that end up getting used for lots of different things. They're perfect and stout, and we'll do a nice job of getting that together. So just imagine in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to mix up that epoxy in that tub. I'm going to add a little lacquer thinner to give me a little more working time. I'm going to put it in there. Then it's going to be chill out and space out and tip that tank around. So yeah, happy Saturday. We're lining the tank. Hope you're doing something a little more fun on your motorcycle. All right, take care.